chair pose, and mid-back inversion. For these poses, you're going to start with your hammock at a hip height, and we're going to position the fabric at our upper back touch point. This is across the center of your upper back, or about your bra line for women. You're going to go ahead and position the hammock there and come down into your chair pose by bending your knees at a 90-degree angle with your feet shoulder width apart. I'm going to turn around so you can see this from the back. You can spread the fabric out a little bit if it feels really tight, but make sure that that fabric is not coming up into your armpits. And this is probably the easiest chair pose that you're going to do in yoga, but there are a few great variations that you can do out of this pose. For instance, you can extend backwards for an easy back bend. You can support your neck with your hands if needed, or even extend your arms overhead for a deeper stretch. You come up, and we can wake up those legs by swaying from side to side. This is especially nice to do if you spread your legs out a little further as well. You can really open the hips if you're doing this from a goddess pose. So next we're going to go into our mid-back inversion, and we're going to start by practicing lifting from a straddle. Bring your legs outwards into a straddle. We're going to practice just lifting and strengthening those hip flexors and leg muscles. Holding onto your fabric in front of you, just lift your legs up, keeping your legs straight as high as you possibly can. Do this a few times to get the feel for it, to get the feel for what the movement would be to be able to pull yourself all the way up and over. And then when you're ready to actually attempt it, if you can't make it with your straight legs, I recommend coming back into your chair position. Grip the fabric firmly in front of you and lean back, engaging your abs to pull yourself up and over and extend your legs. Once you're upside down, gravity will help you improve your straddle. If you need a little bit of help getting over, don't be afraid to really push off with your feet to help give you that momentum to get yourself up and over. It's really just a matter of getting comfortable with going backwards upside down. Once I'm upside down, I like to extend my neck just a little bit to look down at the ground. It helps me maintain my balance, but if you have a sensitive neck, that might not be a great position for you. When you're finished, come back into your chair pose and stand up slowly so you can get used to being upright. Thank you for watching, and please like this video if you'd like to see more content like this.